What is up, reelers? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today we're back out with Chad on the boat. This may be the last time we see Chad on the channel. Not sure when we're gonna be able to get back out. The schedule's changing for him at work, so Mondays aren't gonna be the day that he can get out. But we're still gonna be out here today trying to catch some fish. Gonna start off with the shad wrap and then move on to potentially some other stuff. Depends on how close we get and how slow it is, but we'll just try some stuff out here, catch some fish hopefully, and hopefully have a good day. So hold on tight, y'all. Let's go get on the reel. Let's go try to catch some fish. There we go.
Go ahead.
Oh, that was awesome. That'll be floating. We'll get it later.
I heard that snap.
Did it again, man. I got excited. I was like, I'm gonna cast over that boat dock and snag something off of it like a cool kid.
That's what, twice?
It popped. It landed like right here at the point of this. There it is. I see it out further.
Oh, that here? Is it under the boat?
Nope, got it.
I'm a wacky rig. Everything. I tried everything.
I know.
Over here. I hate that.
Oh, got a little too excited.
What?
Got too excited. A fish? I got a fish? I got a fish! I got a fish! What's a fish? It's a bass! I love when I get a bass before you do.
What?
I love when I get a bass before you do. It's a tiny bass, but I'll take it. On the old Googie Squad chubby grub there. First bass of the day. Way up in that dock. Something, nothing big. Little bitty guy. A little bitty one looks like off the bank there. Look, a couple of them were thumping it way up there. Another little bitty guy on the Googie Grubby. Little bitty tiny dude. Nice. Whee. Just need one more to finish out the three. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got off. Man, that's so crazy.
What, the little one?
No, just, yeah, it's little ones, but like I can, like a couple times that I've caught that last one and even the other one before, I was like, I'm gonna throw back in, there's gonna be a fish in my head. And there's like this little point right here. It's a little bitty point, tiny. I was like, I'm gonna throw onto that and then try to catch a fish. And sure enough, I get snagged. Yeah. Oh, come on now, y'all need to suck this sucker down. Quit playing with the tail.
It's funny how that tree just living on, dangling under the water. Got him?
They're still, okay, maybe, there we go. Little bitty guy.
Those are the ones that are getting you, are the baby bass.
We just keep getting smaller and smaller, it seems like. How you in there, bro?
I think that was born last year.
There we go. Little bitty guy. Sweet.
I just can't believe the temperature dropped. There's a lot of turtles over there, like 3 over here in the water. Got 'em?
There we go. What we get?
There.
Come on, you ain't going nowhere. My rod's loaded up on you, you're fine. Now, we do want to bring you in though. Get out by the line, because you're a nice sized boy. There you are, hiding underneath that log. All right, another Googie Grubby. Not too bad for the day. Number 4. Pretty fella. Now we're gonna let you go. Whee! Come on, buddy. There you go. Nice. Nice one. Sunny finally? Did we get a sunfish finally? I don't think I did. Take another bass. Oh, got smaller. We got smaller. Oh my goodness. Just kept getting smaller and smaller. Look at that little guy. Oop, 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 get in the water. Just keeps getting smaller and smaller. That's the opposite of where people want to go normally. But, you know, I did get that one big one. But there we go. Oh, what in the world? I can't catch a sunfish to save my life today. Another bass. Well, this is bigger than the last one. There you go.
Can we get a full video for Josh without a sunny or a bluegill in it? Can we get a fishing video without any of it? That'll be awesome.
I'm fishing a tiny little lure.
Yeah.
What? I got him.
What?
I got a good shot of him jumping and flinging.
Did you?
Yeah.
Come on.
There we go. Ha ha ha! It has happened. We have broke the skunk.
No.
Let's go!
No.
I don't get a good hook set on that guy. He almost got off.
Oh.
Broke the skunk. We have caught a bluegill. Finally. Chad is distraught.
No bluegill in the boat. Only back. It's normally up. You can see the water line on that. You see how high up that is?
Mm-hmm. Okay, got him. Wonder what that was.
Bluegill again.
Nope, bass. Make Chad proud.
Yeah.
A little tiny bass.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking
A little
about.
bitty guy. Whee!
Alright. We can start fishing on the boat again.
I'm allowed back on the boat. Yay!
Back on the boat.
He was going to dump me out in the water.
You have caught some incredibly small bass that I would not think that would play.
There we go, another something. What we got? Not a bad something. Woo! Pulling some drag. A little bit. Can't tell. It's probably sunny though. Just to make Chad mad. Oh yeah, nice fat boy.
Fall off!
Nice fat boy. He ain't falling off. He's got the whoop. Oh, he got off. Look, yay! He's so happy. No bluegill on my boat.
He just said I'm gonna help you out. All right.
How about? Oh, it's a sunny. Let's get him. Set the hook on that guy good though.
See, that's why they don't want this one.
A little bitty bluegill. First time. There we go.
There's the bluegill monster.
There we go. Biggest bluegill of the day, looks like. There we go. Sweet.
So you guys can see, I'm gonna try to get the hook out of this guy.
There we go. There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a crappie. Goodness, is the beast crappie. Oh, yeah. All right, buddy, simmer down. That's what was banging on my... Look at this crappie. Good gravy. Oh, my goodness. Another one of those magnolia. I can't even get him up without worrying about breaking the line. It's pulling the line out of my hand. Oh, God. I gotta weigh this dude. Weigh this dude. Good gravy. We hold it really close so it looks even bigger. Goodness, I gotta weigh this guy.
That's beautiful.
All right. All right, zeroed out. Figure out how to get him in there. All right, zeroed out. 1 pound, 4 ounce crappie. How long this guy is? About 12 inches. It's 12-inch long crappie. Goodness. Get you back in the water. It's your lucky day because I ain't got stuff to take you. Beautiful. All right, realists, that's going to end it up for the day. We're going to head back here soon, hanging out here with Chad on the boat. Sun's come up, it's got warm. Bite slowed down a little bit, but we did get our new PB crappie. Hopefully I recorded that. I just realized I did some weird stuff. So if not, got a 1 pound, 4 ounce crappie there at the end. So very awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. And hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon.